left my hotel probably about 5 minutes ago and thought I'd go for a bit of a Sunday tour. Let's see what it brings on. Alright, let's rock. The Italian roads, man, they're pretty small. Doesn't give you much room. Hello, Putty Cat. No, he wasn't too bothered. Oh, hello. This is taking me towards a national park, and then from there to a couple of old villages, so see what they bring. It's more about the ride, but sometimes the old villages can give you quite a surprise. That's the city where I'm staying, Potenza. Bit of roadworks is needed, I think. Whee, it's a bit rough. He forgot his car. Oh, he's doing a bit of work on the land today. Good job, mate. Good job. Oh, hello. Go Speedy Gonzales. Big old sports bike. And another one. Oh, we have a red light. Oh, we better stop for that. Imagine living out here, eh? You're definitely in the sticks. Oh, maybe I should put this thing in enduro. Not yet. This stuff's a bit loose. Don't want to do a repeat of Albania where I dropped the bike because I didn't put it in enduro mode. ABS and traction control kicked in and stalled the bike on a bend, which was not a good thing. That's what I forgot to get. I forgot to get some water. Not very clever. Hey, 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 a few holes. That must be the old toilet. I don't want to live here anymore. Now which way? Not saying go right, so let's try left. I do like the unknown. I think we may have to go enduro mode. Maybe not. Hasn't turned into a complete goat track yet. They moved out of that by the looks of it. How's that for a village? All built on a hill. My God. Wow. That's sick. How do you get up there? Well, I must be heading up that way actually. Abraola. I think that's where this thing's taken me. Maybe. I'd like to go up there and have a look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. Let's go up there. Oh, this is the beginning of that village on top of the hill. This is where I was heading to. Oh, that's funny. He was baffled by something, or his wife was yelling something to him maybe. Love these old villages. All the time. Oh, that's not good. Stopped for a cappuccino. What a view. Oh my god. How sick is that?